Welcome to GoodKnit Kisses, Techniques and Tutorials. Hi, I'm Kristen. We're teaching techniques and tutorials at GoodKnit Kisses to help keep you in stitches. Today's clip is from a longer video, a longer tutorial that is a pattern. We are going to shorten it down for you today, so click on the link in the description below if you'd like more information or that full video tutorial. All right, let's begin.
So what happens if you make a mistake? Let me just stop here for a moment. I'm going to interrupt your regularly scheduled broadcast here. Let's say you knit this up and you realize that one of your rows along here, usually as you go along, you think, wow, this was really much too shorter. Like maybe you only did 2 rows in between and not the one. I'm going to just show you how to back up. This one is correct here, but I just want to show you how to back up and work that stitch. So let's say you had a knit stitch here and you want to go back and go and fix this one. Okay, so we're going to go into this stitch right here, okay, and then we want to pull back on our stitches so you can see these 2 stitches here. Going to insert our needle into that hole and then slowly let this stitch drop off that right needle and pull it out. Now you have 2 stitches and yours will most likely be switched like this. So the longer one is in the back and the shorter one is in the front. We want to put the longer one in the back on the tip, all right, and take that shorter one and lift it up and over like this. And then that becomes a knit stitch, and you can kind of play with the stitches here to kind of ease that tension up, and then it's ready to work whatever you need to do. So you can actually go backwards and tink and go backwards, which is knit spelled backwards, or you can frog and you can actually like pull all your needles out and pull it back and rip back your work. It kind of nicknamed ribbit, like rip your work back. So but I recommend just working backwards like this, and it's good to get the practice of how to undo your work and fix mistakes. Okay, so there's how to fix a mistake.
Thanks for joining me on GoodKnit Kisses Technique Tutorials. Be sure to subscribe and also comment down below and tell me what techniques and stitches that you would like to see. Have a great day and happy knit and crochet.